Hello children and friends. Yesterday we discussed about the polynomial concept. Now we will discuss about the continuation of yesterday's concept with examples. Here you can see the examples of polynomial. What about the exponent degree? Degree of the polynomial. What is the degree means here? The degree means here the value of greatest polynomial exponent. The value of greatest polynomial exponent is called exponent for a polynomial is called degree. Okay, degree and the value of greatest polynomial exponent of a polynomial written in the standard form, which is about monomial, and it is binomial or trinomial, whatever it is, polynomial. So now the highest greatest exponent, the value of greatest polynomial exponent of a polynomial written in the standard form. Okay, now you can see that the examples of polynomial x power 1, x power highest power 1, here it is called highest exponent of this one is 1, next greatest exponent of this is 2, greatest exponent of this is 3, which is about the polynomial and degree of the polynomial. Okay, next one children, see that monomial. What about monomial? Monomial means it has one term. Next one, here binomial, here somewhat difference of two terms here, it contains, binomial contains two terms. Next one, trinomial contains three terms. Here polynomial contains many terms, here many terms children. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is about the polynomial. Now children, you see that the polynomial which is in the form of 3x square plus 1x, 3x square plus 1x, a polynomial which is of the form 3x square plus 1x plus 5x power 0. Here exponent, greatest exponent is what 2 here greatest exponent is what 1, here greatest exponent is what 0, x power 0, but it is displayed as 1. So 5 into 1 you can write, 5 means what here, 5 into 1, that is 5 into x to the power of 0, it is there here, so exponent is 0. Now here 1 into x is there, that actually equation is 3x square plus x plus 5. So now here highest exponent is 2. Now here 1 into quotient is 1, here exponent is 1. So now here 5 into x to the power of 0, quotient is 5, coefficient is 5, here coefficient is 3, here it is called coefficient ante gunakamu, coefficient 3x square 1x 5, here either 3, 1, 5 are coefficients. What are the exponents here? 2, 1, 0 are the exponents children. Okay, which is the one of the example of the polynomial. Okay children, next one children, here so the product of two polynomials, here you can see that it is the distribute the binomial theorem as you can see multiply. Can see to get the multiply here, you can multiply this, multiplication of two binomials, how to multiply, you can see that in written, I think you are able to see children. So now it is you have to multiply x minus 3 into x plus 2, here two terms you have to multiply. How to multiply means children, here first you can multiply with x to the x and x to the 2 in the next one, and minus 3 to the x, minus 3 to the 2 in the next one children. So now here it becomes as x square plus 2x minus 3x minus 6 children. So now what about here x square plus 2x minus 3x minus 6, you can get here x square minus x minus 6, which is the quadratic polynomial, quadratic expression. So now you have to write it should be, now you can write x cube x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6, you can get finally x square minus x minus 6 children, which is about the product of two terms. Okay, two binomials, they can get the one term here, that is quadratic polynomial, then two terms you can get two terms you can get the product of two terms, you have to multiply, then you can get quadratic polynomial. So which is about the polynomial of a quadratic form. Okay, now here examples of polynomial products. You can see that another example of polynomial product, children. Now here polynomial product, you can take one term, one polynomial, it is a should get power 1. Okay, here you can get another one, x square plus 2x plus minus 3. So it is a trinomial, sum of 3 terms. It is binomial, sum of 2 terms. It is binomial. It is a trinomial. You can multiply. You can get what about the value? Binomial. If you can get trinomial, multiply, you can get what here? You can multiply x into x square. So 2x minus 3x, 3x square plus 6x minus 9. How to multiply? You have to multiply like this here, x cube plus 2x square. You can get x with remaining. You can get x with remaining, x into x square, x cube. So now x into 2x, 2x square. Now x into minus 3, minus 3x, children. So children here plus 3x square. Okay, next 3x square plus 6x. Now here minus 9. You may get here x cube plus 2x square plus 3x square, 5x square plus 3x minus 9, which is called a polynomial having degree 3, highest power 3. Similarly, you can multiply binomial with the trinomial. You may get 8x cube plus 125, which is about the product of polynomial. Example of product of polynomials, you may get, you can multiply to first one with first term, first one with remaining, first one with third one, next again first one with second one, first one is second one. You can try it and do it and tell me the answer as 8x cube as 125, children. You may automatically get 8x cube as 125, children, which is about the product of polynomial. Now children, next one here, what is the degree of the term? You know already whatever the degree of the term. So you know, if you see again the definition of a term, the definition of a term you can see here. What about the term here? What is the term? And a term can be number or variable or a product of numbers and variables here, or a quotient of numbers and or variables. So what about the monomial? Monomial means it is a real number under the product of variables with a non-negative exponent. So now what is the polynomial? A polynomial is a monomial or sum of monomials. Remember that the subtraction can be written as the addition. And what is the degree of the term? The degree of the term, what is the number of variable factors in the term here? You can also say that the degree of a term is the sum of exponents in the variables. అంటే ఇప్పటి వరకు మనం ఏం నేర్చుకున్నాం అన్న దానికి హియర్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద టర్మ్ అనేది ఏంటండి, మోనోమియల్ ఏంటి, పోలినామియల్ ఏంటి, డిగ్రీ ఏంటి, అంటే వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ పోలినామియల్, highest exponent, next product of polynomials. Okay, these are the examples, children. Next one, observe here. You observe here, children. You know that you can see that monomial. What is the monomial here? ఇక్కడ వచ్చినప్పటికి ఏమవుతుందంటే చిల్డ్రన్ ఇక్కడ see the left hand side when I am displaying here, when I am teaching here, you can see the left hand side. So now the types of polynomials are number of terms. Here monomial example you can take one term 6 here 4x cube minus pi square 5 into a square b cube 6x plus 2 ab power 4 minus 5 y plus 2f, the sum of two terms. Trinomial means the three terms it will contain a cube plus 4y minus 7, example w by 2 minus 2s plus t. Then many terms is called polynomials, 2a cube plus 3y square plus 4y minus 8a minus 7. So the types of polynomials what here? See again I am revising types of polynomial, the degree and constant polynomial, then it is degree here 8 and minus 2 by 3 x plus 8 3 by 4x minus 6, here 3x square minus 2x plus 7 5y square minus 1 by 4, then 5x cube 2y cube minus y plus 4, which is about the types of polynomial degree. Okay, now types of polynomial having degree means highest exponent. What is the ఇక్కడ డిగ్రీ ఏంటంటే 0 అండి, ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ 8 ఉంది అనుకోండి, ఈ రోట్ 8 ఇక్కడ 8 ఉంది కదా, 8 అంటే ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉంది x పవర్ 0, బికాస్ 8 into 1 హియర్ 1 అంటే మనం ఎలా రాస్తాం x పవర్ 0, సో దట్స్ వై ఎక్స్పోనెంట్ ఈజ్ వాట్ హియర్ 0, డిగ్రీ 0. అలానే ఇక్కడ x ప్లస్ 8 అంటే x పవర్ 1 ప్లస్ 8, సో డిగ్రీ ఈజ్ 1 హియర్. అలాగే x స్క్వేర్ 3x స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 2x ప్లస్ 7లో డిగ్రీ ఎంత, హైయెస్ట్ పవర్ ఎంత 2 హియర్, డిగ్రీ 2. ఇక్కడ 5x క్యూబ్లో డిగ్రీ ఎంత 3, 5x క్యూబ్లో డిగ్రీ ఎంత 3. ఓకే, సో నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ అబౌట్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ ద polynomial, introduction of polynomials children. Now I will go to the worksheets.